This wheel chock may still look good to use, but it's not. Welcome back to your home garage, and you heard me correctly. This should no longer be used because it expired. So I just assisted a friend with a tire issue on his Lexus LC500, and we used these wheel chocks, but I hadn't checked the expiration date in a very long time. What many of you may not know is that common plastic wheel chocks actually come with an expiration date. At this point, you're probably very curious as to why plastic wheel chocks would expire. Well, the plastic will break down with time, even if they're not constantly in use. Many factors can contribute to this outside of just cold weather or freezing temperatures. Other contributors are direct sunlight, normal wear and tear, and incorrect usage. To check if yours have expired, just look at the date stamped on the side of the chock. In my case, it states to replace between months 6 and 7 of 2023. That would be June or July of this year. It's now October, so this is technically expired. Even though I've stored them in my garage out of the sun and they don't display any hairline cracks, I'll still replace them because I don't want to risk injuring anyone with a tool that recommends it not be used. On top of keeping an eye out for the date, check your chocks regularly to make sure they're still in good condition. Check for hairline cracks, chalking, or any other signs of deterioration. Even Camco's tech service recommends that the plastic lasts 4 years, and then you need to replace the chocks. As a reminder, this is an expiration date, not a manufacturing date, so I would recommend that you check the date of your wheel chocks and replace them if need be. Continuing to use plastic wheel chocks after they've expired may lead to some dangerous situations. Chocks may slip out of their proper positioning, rendering them useless. They could also shatter when under load. Bottom line, while expired chocks may seem like they're still functioning correctly, they can become a liability. Plastic wheel chocks are inexpensive to replace, and it's always a good idea to exercise caution. There you have it, an easy way to check if you're still using a safe tool for your automotive needs. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.